Keep those legs nice and wide. Slight bend of the knees. Left palm faces up, and the top of the arm is going to rest onto our left thigh. So we're going to bend to the left, keep the tailbone drawn down, belly in and ribs in, and then reach that right arm up and over. Keep the shoulders engaged though. You can look up towards that right arm. Keep that left arm active to lengthen through the side body. Deep breath through the nose. Inhale, reach out, up and over, and let's switch to the other side. Palms facing up. Shoulders away from the ears, tailbone down. Opening up that side body. If it's too much on your neck, you can look down. Going to add a little bit movement now. Inhale, reach out and go over to the left. Inhale, reach long. Exhale, draw the ribs in as we transition. Inhale to the right. Exhale, transition back to the center. Inhale to the left. Exhale. Inhale to the right. So we're going to stay with your breath, and we're going to try and flow side to side while we keep the core active, opening the side body, but getting some movement. You can even go a little bit faster if you want. Really strengthening the obliques and opening the side body at the same time. This is a wonderful way to increase your circulation, help to decrease inflammation. Keep going. Big inhale as you reach out. Exhale as you transition. Couple more. All right, and then long, slow, reach over to the left. This time you can straighten your right leg to a little deeper side opening. Bend that right knee, inhale, reach out, coming back to the center, coming over to the right, straighten that left leg. Press into that right arm to help lengthen and open. Put the breath into anywhere that you feel tension. One more deep breath. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, come back to the center.